Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying the workbook type and preserving a copy. This prevents data loss. Once done, upload the file to OneDrive or Google Drive because online editors accept standard Excel formats. Make sure to avoid running desktop installer packages or activation prompts. Next, open the file in Excel Online or import into Google Sheets. These let you view and edit without an installed license. As you proceed, note where macros or external links exist since they affect later steps. You now address advanced elements that usually break without a license. First, find macros and complex VBA. If possible, convert essential routines to Google Apps Script or Office scripts because online editors handle script-based automation differently. Once done, convert pivot tables to static values or rebuild them using the online pivot tool to preserve summaries. Make sure external OLE or COM links are replaced with cloud queries or static data. Otherwise, formulas may return errors when reopened in the browser. You finish by saving the cleaned file back to OneDrive or Google Drive and then download a final. XLSX as an offline backup. Test formulas and layout carefully in Excel Online or Google Sheets because browser rendering can differ from desktop. Make sure charts and conditional formatting appear as expected before sharing. If something fails, a key troubleshooting tip: reopen the original backup and isolate the change that caused the issue. Check macros and external links first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.